Jamaica is filled with these 87s, like Sir P said. Me, I call them 28s. And I'm gonna explain 28s right now. Look at the screen in front of you. This is my graph explaining how I apply numbers to the Jamaican gangs them. And this is from a gang called the Numbers Gang out of South Africa, but I am applying it to Jamaica. Look at the screen. It said the 26 are responsible for gambling, smuggling, and wealth. The 28s are the warriors and responsible for fighting on the behalf of all three groups. The 27s are the guardian of the law and peacekeeper. Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. I'm going right into this. And this is a part of the series of video me I do upon Jamaica. Now Earl Taylor, he was a popular senior guy, 69-year-old in Linstead. He used to do errands for all the business people them, deposit money, whatever. Apparently, he was robbed and killed by some 28. I'm gonna talk about this. Let's go. Now, according to the news media, he was robbed and shot. Now, when you get killed, robbed, especially robbed and shot, you're usually set up by somebody you know. So somebody in that community know his movement and know what he was doing. Knew he had money on him. Them used the 28 them to track him, rob him, and murder him. I know the whole community is mourning, but one thing I'm gonna tell you now about the communities in Jamaica. The murderers are in the mourners along with the mourners. So what they did, they track him, they already planned it. I'm just telling you how crime work. Nothing is random. 90 to 100% of crime. Me gonna say, alright, may I be honest. 80% of crime is premeditated, and this is a totally premeditated act with the 28 them, and you have the 26 involved because Jamaica is a funny place, you know. The more popular you get, because I remember I spoke about that. The more popular you get, the more money, the more you achieve, your moving target. Let's go. Watch this clip with Mr. Man on the ground. And just look how the people them all look over. And that's the thing with Jamaica. The people them are desensitized. And I don't even know, I'm speechless. But anyways, I know it's a desensitized society. it's a culture of bad mind, jealousy. It's a murderous place. Let's watch this clip. As you can see from the clip, the video man a come round and look to your left at the little old man that lay down on the ground. Now, looking into Linstead, Linstead is a very dangerous little town in the island of Jamaica.
Yesterday afternoon, June 17, the Jamaica Constabulary Force said the deceased is Jermaine Walters. It's understood that he lives in Linstead along the train line, not very far from where the incident transpired. The gunmen fled the scene, but it appears they didn't get far. The police stated that they intercepted the suspects and took the two of them into custody. However, businessman shot dead in Bogwalk, St. Catherine. He was his mother's only child. Before we tell you more about that, we urge you to support these companies. Knowledge Bogwalk, St. Catherine is still reeling from the gun murder of a loved one, described as peaceful, hardworking, and jovial. The deceased is the man you're looking at, 40-year-old Fabian McLeod, otherwise known as Flat Bush, from Magazine Lane in Bogwalk. He was shot dead near his home. Police stated that shortly after 4 o'clock yesterday afternoon, January 6, McLeod was sitting in a shop when two gunmen pounced upon him.
Wanna see how violent Linstead is? I'll tell you something. Most of the murder then in a Linstead haven't been solved. But I notice another phenomena in Linstead, and that's a lot of domestic violence going on. How can I sum up the end of this video? Jamaica is a murderous, bad-minded place to be. We definitely have a culture of bad mind and jealousy. With that said, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. And I have more video coming on with Jamaica. Like I said before in other videos, the policy that was created for Jamaica through other world organizations like IMF, World Bank, is why we're at where we are today. I'm not going to illustrate right now, but I'll illustrate again in another video. There was a plan to get rid of the dons them like me talk about all the time. My name is Countryman. Click on the next video. I'm out. Peace.